Hey guys, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today, I'm so glad that we are here because I have a Whiff box that I want to show you and I cannot wait to open it. All right, you guys. So if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. Comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm super duper excited. I love a Whiff box. So the first thing I'm going to do is explain what a Whiff box is. So a Whiff box is a subscription box that you can get one time only. You can get monthly, bi-monthly, or quarterly. You can put it in a Scentsy club, but it differs from a Scentsy club because a Scentsy club, you build your own club, whereas this is a like surprise box. I think like Ipsy or like Bark Box, like it has a bunch of product and it has samples and stuff like that. So it's different every month. So I'm super excited to open it up. And so let's go ahead and do that. I love the new box. It's super pretty. They changed the box up a little bit. So let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so when I open it, I right away see something that's Nightmare Before Christmas, which I love. So you get this a cute little pamphlet, and on the back it says, Eureka, your September Whiff box might just be better than ever, including products from our Disney Tim Burton's Nightmare Before Christmas collection, all inspired by the beloved residents of Halloween Town. Head to your collection section of your consultant's personal website to shop the entire collection. Okay, so then on the inside, oh, this is cute. What is this? So it always gives you like games or like DIY, like coloring pages. There's always cute stuff in there. So this is all like Nightmare Before Christmas patterns. Let's see what it is. It's time to start preparing for tricks, treats, and spooky gatherings. Plan a Halloween Town themed party and use these fun cones to pass out candy or popcorn. Oh, so you make them into like a cone. That's cute. And then you put candy or popcorn in it. Love that. All right, so the first thing I see when I open my box, the first thing I see is I know there's going to be wax in here. Oh, I see something back there too. I know there's going to be wax in here because in the hot months, they send it in a Mylar bag and they put a, what is it called? Oh my God, an ice pack in it. Okay, but look at what else I got. Oh my gosh, super excited. Okay, so it is the Bat Bitty Buddy, and I never did get this one. So stinking cute. And it comes in Caramel Apple Craze, which is one of my favorite scents. So let's go ahead and open the bat. Oh my gosh, the scent is just phenomenal. Ah, he smells so good. Okay, so here's the Bat Bitty Buddy. He is so stinking cute. I can't even with him. Look at his little bite. So basically what a Bitty Buddy is just a little squishy plush that is scented. So that's really cute. I love that. So I got the Bat Bitty Buddy. What else did I get? I saw a room spray. Oh, they gave us Scary Good, you guys. Scary Good. This is going in my bathroom. I love to use room spray on myself. Just don't spray it too close and don't put it on anything you're worried about ruining because it is essential oils. So if you spray on yourself, you don't want to ruin your shirt. Me, I got t-shirts. Like, I'm not worried about it. But man, I smell amazing. Scary Good. I love that scent. Love, love, love. All right. So let's see. Let's see what else we got. All right. So we got, oh, I love this. It's so cute. A cozy vanilla and pumpkin scent circle, and it's a 3D one. Super duper cool. I'm going to go ahead and open it because I'm going to put it in my car. I got to go, I'm going to go get my hair done today, you guys. So while I'm opening this, I'm going to tell you the little story. So I love TikTok, and there's this new ginger filter where it gives you freckles and it gives you ginger hair, and everyone looks great with the filter, including me. And so now I made an appointment to go get ginger hair. Will I regret it? Perhaps. All right. So you get 2 different pieces, right? So it just basically slides like so. Boom, to make a cute pumpkin. How cute is that pumpkin? You can hang it wherever, but obviously the best place to hang it, man, it smells good. The best place to hang it is in your car, right? But how cute is that? Right now we're selling them in a 3-pack with maple rum cake and wild tree or something like that. Anywho, fall tree, autumn tree. Here it is. I'll find it. Wild for fall. I was close. Anyway, it's a 3-pack. But in your Whiff box, you get 1. All right. And we also got the Harvest Collection brochure, which is phenomenal. So, like, if you're not a consultant, you will have your own brochure. So let's go ahead and open up the Mylar bag and see what's in it. Ooh, I see what they did here. Okay. All right, and then this is just an ice pack in the Mylar bag. Okay, so they gave us 2 of the Nightmare Before Christmas scents. This one is Roll the Dice. This is Oogie Boogie's signature scent, okay? This one's really good. So this one's on the masculine side. It's a bit woodsy. What is my dog chewing on? Hey, what are you chewing on, buddy? What are you doing? He's not chewing on anything. He looks at me like, what, Mom? Oh my gosh. So it's a bit woodsy, maybe sandalwood, a little bit of spice. This one is masculine scented, okay? So this is Roll the Dice. And I think it's random which ones you get. And then this one is the Nightmare Before Christmas, and it's Jack's Obsession, which is Jack's signature scent. This one smells like apples to me. I love this one. Ah, that smells good. Ah, that smells so good. Ah, that smells good. Okay, so I got 2 of those, which is great. The next thing I got, I'm not going to open it up and smell it. I'm actually going to gift it to a customer because it's a nice size sample of Warm Pumpkin Drizzle, which is our scent of the month for October. And I have that box here, so I'm going to be doing that video today and posting it for tomorrow. So if you want to see that, it's going to be posted Sunday. But I don't want to ruin the surprise. Like, I don't want to smell it before I open it. I want to do it. I can kind of smell a little bit. I love pumpkin smells. So pumpkin scents are my jam. Anywho, I'm excited. So excited. And I just can't hide it. So that is what we got. So we got the Bat Bitty Buddy. Super cute. And these were like 15 on their own. 12, 15 just on their own. And then we got a scent circle, the pumpkin, cozy vanilla pumpkin. Smells so good. Cozy vanilla pumpkin, that's going to go in my car. You get a big sample of Warm Pumpkin Drizzle. You get the flyer, the brochure for the Harvest Collection. And you get the Jackson, well, I think you get just 2 of the scents. I'm not sure which one you're going to get, because there's also a 3rd scent called Halloween Town. So there's that as well. And then you get the Scary Good, which I love this scent, room spray. So that is a bargain. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the Whiff box, and I will put the link below, and I'll talk to you later. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye.